sklearn, utils, estimator checks, parameterize with checks. Description. This function is a decorator that can be used to parameterize unit tests for scikit-learn estimators. It is a convenient way to ensure that your estimator passes the basic checks that are required for compatibility with scikit-learn. It uses the checkEstimator function to run a series of checks on the estimator, ensuring that it meets scikit-learn standards. Estimator class, the class of the estimator to be tested. This is the class definition of your estimator that implements the fit, predict, and other necessary methods. Checkparams, a list of check functions to run. This is a list of functions provided by scikit-learn that test specific aspects of your estimator. The default is to run all available checks. Parameterized test functions. The function returns a set of parameterized test functions that will run the specified checks on the estimator. Test results. Each parameterized test will output a Boolean value representing whether the estimator passed the specific check or not. Decorator application. You apply the parameterize with checks decorator to your test function. Check selection. The decorator identifies the checks you want to perform based on the check params. Argument. Test function creation. The decorator generates multiple parameterized test functions, each corresponding to a specific check. Test execution. Each parameterized test function runs the corresponding check on your estimator. Result reporting. The test functions report whether the checks passed or failed. Check pass-fail rate. This indicates the proportion of checks that your estimator successfully passed. Time taken to run checks. This helps you assess the performance of the check suite. Not applicable. The output of parameterize with checks is not directly visualizable. It is a tool for running checks, not for visualization. Check params. You can customize the list of checks by providing specific functions from scikit-learn's check suite. Additional arguments. You can pass additional arguments to the parameterize with checks decorator. For example, to specify a particular set of datasets or settings for the checks. Not applicable. The decorator is used to verify the correctness of an estimator's implementation, not to estimate uncertainty. Challenge 1. Missing required methods. Sample use case. Your estimator might be missing a required method like fit or predict. Fixes to challenge 1. Implement the missing method in your estimator class according to scikit-learn's requirements. Challenge 2. Incompatible parameter values. Sample use case. Your estimator might raise an error when passed specific parameter values during the checks. Fixes to challenge 2. Review the parameter values that are triggering errors and modify your estimator's logic to handle them correctly. Make sure your init method handles potential invalid parameter values. Challenge 3. Incorrect data handling. Sample use case. Your estimator might not handle data correctly. For example, failing to accept sparse data or incorrectly handling data with missing values. Fixes to challenge 3. Enhance your estimator to handle different data types and formats appropriately. Refer to scikit-learn documentation for guidelines on best practices for data handling. Challenge 4. Incorrect output format. Sample use case. Your estimator might return outputs in an unexpected format. For example, a NumPy array instead of a pandas data frame. Fixes to challenge 4. Modify your estimator's logic to return outputs in the format expected by scikit-learn. Challenge 5. Non-deterministic behavior. Sample use case. Your estimator might produce different outputs on repeated runs with the same data and parameters, which can indicate the presence of randomness that's not controlled. Fixes to challenge 5. Make your estimator's behavior deterministic by controlling random number generation, e.g., using a fixed seed or by ensuring that any randomness is introduced in a predictable way. Challenge 6. Incorrect parameter validation. Sample use case. Your estimator might not properly validate its parameters, potentially leading to unexpected behavior. Fixes to challenge 6. Implement parameter validation checks within your estimator's init method by using the checkparams function from scikit-learn. Challenge 7. Incorrect docstring formatting. Sample use case. Your estimator's docstring might not follow scikit-learn's documentation conventions, making it difficult for others to understand how to use your estimator. Fixes to challenge 7. Refer to scikit-learn's documentation style guidelines and update your estimator's docstring accordingly. Challenge 8. Missing or incorrect metadata. Sample use case. Your estimator might be missing important metadata like the getParamNames method, which helps with model persistence and introspection. Fixes to challenge 8. Ensure that your estimator includes all necessary metadata and that it is implemented correctly.